Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I will show you how to securely log into your JP Morgan bank account online using a desktop or a web browser. First of all, launch open your preferred web browser on your computer or your laptop, and in the URL box type in jpmorgan.com and search. You'll soon end up in the official website of JP Morgan. From the home page of JP Morgan, go to the top right section and find the login button and click on it. You'll soon end up in this interface where you need to go ahead and select your banking type. Choose the type of account you want to access, for example, personal banking, corporate banking, etc. I'm just going to click on this JP Morgan online option. After you do that, you'll end up in the sign-in area. Select if you are a US client or non-US client and click sign in. You'll then end up in the sign-in area on the next page. Carefully type down your username and password associated with your account. Make sure that you type in your credentials correct. After typing it down, go ahead and click on the sign in button to log into your account. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your online banking account right away. JP Morgan may ask you for a security code or OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the code when prompted and click on submit or sign in, and you'll be logged into your account's dashboard. After you are logged in, you can check your balance, review your transactions, make payments, transfer funds, and so on. So that is how you easily sign into your JP Morgan online banking account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.